Class example 3.47. We're given an expression and asked to write it in terms of y. So let's do a simple example first to see where we want to go with this. So if we were given the expression, let's say log base 2 of y is equal to x, and asked to write that in terms of y, then we would rewrite this in exponential form. We'd say, okay, well, 2 to the power of x is equal to y. So then we say, so there you go, y is equal to 2x. So that's what we're after. Our question is just a little bit more complex. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to get all the log terms to the same side, and then combine using log laws. So let's get this 2 log base 2 over to the other side. So we'll write this as 3 log base 2 of 4 times the cube root of y minus 2 log base 2 of z is equal to x. Now, we're not quite ready to combine these yet because I have these coefficients out front, and my radicals are still written as a radical instead of as a fractional exponent. So let's move the 3 up. So I'll move that 3 up and that 2 to the exponent there. So we've got log base 2 of 4. And at this moment 2, I'm going to change this. I'm going to rewrite this as, let's write times y to the power of 1 over 3. And then to the power of 3. And notice that this is all to the power of 3. Minus log base 2 of z, and then bringing that 2 up, so squared, and that's equal to x. Now I'm going to do one more line so that I can combine that 3 with these ones. So we'll write log base 2 of 4 to the power of 3 times, now 1/3 times 3 is just going to be 1. So now that's just y. Minus log base 2 of z squared. And that's equal to x. So now we're ready to combine into a single logarithm. So we'll write this as log base 2 of, now if our term was positive, it'll be in the numerator, and if it's negative, it'll be in the denominator. So this would be 4 to the power of 3, or 64, times y in the numerator, and then z squared in the denominator. And that was equal to x. So then finally, let's convert to exponential form and then solve for y. So 2, the base, to the power of x is equal to, well, and at this point, let's call 4/3. Let's just call that 64. 64y over z squared. Now we'll just rearrange for y, moving the z squared up and the 64 down on the other side. We end up with 2x times z squared over 64 is equal to y.